Yes, come on, continue your lesson.
Good morning, my dear friends. I teach in social lesson, 19th lesson, social and religious reform movement. Karina, how many headlines and what are there?
There are 16 headlines are there. They are Christian missionaries and Oriental scholars, Brahmo Samaj and religious movements of Bengal, Arya Samaj in Punjab, reform and education among Muslims, social reforms and women, Kandapur Veerasalingam, Savitribai Jyotirao Phule, Pandit Rambai Saraswati, education among Muslim women, social reforms and caste system, Jyotiba Phule and Satyasodha Samaj, Narayana Group, Bhagya Reddy Verma, women and Dalits in freedom movement, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Thank you, Sivana. The first one is Christian missionaries and Oriental scholars. Many Christian missionaries came to India along with the European companies to preach Christianity in India. They severally criticized the exciting religious practices and beliefs and tried to persuade people to adopt Christianity. At the same time, they also established many educational institutions, hospitals and charity services with the view of serving the poor and needy. This helped in spreading many new ideas among people. The next one is Brahmo Samaj and religious movements in Bengal. In Brahmo Samaj and religious movements of Bengal, they are founded Raja Rammohan Rai Veerasalingam, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Swami Vivekananda. Raja Rammohan Rai was born in Bengal in 1772. He was a great scholar of Sanskrit, Persian, English and New Arabic, Latin and Greek. He also studied several religious philosophies like Hinduism, Islam, Christianity and Sufism. Kandapuri Veerasalingam son has also a major influence upon Kandapuri Veerasalingam, who started reform movement in South India. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Keshav son eventually became a disciple of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, who preached ardent devotion to goddess Kali. Swami Vivekananda was a disciple of Ramakrishna mission with two objectives: to revive a reformed Hindu religion and to engage in social work and social service for national reconstruction. Arya Samaj in Punjab. Swami is founded Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Swami Dayananda Saraswati is lived in 1824 and to 1883. Swami Dayananda Saraswati was a social reformer who rejected the orthodox ritualistic Hinduism and became a Vandali sannyasi. Reform and education among Muslims. Reformed education among Muslims is founded Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. However, many Muslims like Sir Syed Ahmad Khan were convinced that the bitterness between Muslims and the British must end. In order to progress, Muslims should participate in government jobs. Social reforms and women. Nowadays, most girls from middle-class families go to school and often study with boys. 200 years ago, things were very different. Most children were married off at an early age of 5 to 6 years. Another one is Kandapuri Veerasalingam. Kandapuri Veerasalingam was a social reformer of Andhra region. He was born in a Orthodox Telugu family in Rajahmundry. he concentrated all his efforts and energies on the widow remarriage and abolition of child marriage. Savitribai Jyotirao Phule. Savitribai Phule, along with her husband Jyotibai Phule, played an important role in improving women's rights in Maharashtra. Jyotiba set up a school for girls of untouchability caste in 1848 in Pune. He trained Savitribai Phule to become the first woman teacher. Pandit Ramabai Saraswati. Ramabai devoted her whole life to helping women, especially widows. She traveled alone to England and America on her return about the women's organization. Education among Muslim women. From the early 20th century, Muslim women like the Bhayus of Bhopal played a notable role in promoting education among women. Social reformers and caste system. The upper castes like Brahmins and created the laboring groups at the bottom of the society as Shudras or untouchabilities. Jyotibai Phule.
Yes. You see now, all of you listen. The lesson, social movements. Okay.